In this video, I want to talk about how you can add a pop-up on your Wix website. First of all, just head over to any website. So go here and select it, and this should take you to the website editor. Once you're inside of here, you want to click on the add elements. Inside of add elements, find interactive, find light boxes. These are pretty much just pop-ups. Then you just want to find one that you like. So let's just say we want to do this one. You want to come in here and you can totally edit it however you want it to be. Then you can press set triggers. Now inside of here, what you can do is you can see that you can automatically display if you want to, and you can also come in here to manage them, and you can add more of them if you want to. If you click on this settings, this will be the same as the set triggers. What you can do in here is you can see here your lightbox can be triggered by any button or link on your website. Just click on this and you will learn more about this, but this is basically how it works. So you can make it do it automatically. So if I press this, press which page it's on, you can select the page, and then when somebody opens this, there will be the pop-up. So that's how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.